In this video, we are going to design whiteboard animation. Let's see how to do that. First, create a page like this. I have created text box. Type any text you want. Then you can add any image or anything here in this page. First, you have to save it as a PNG file. For that, I am going to share button. Click download. File type as PNG. Select pages. We have to download only the page number 3. For that, go to select pages. Click a down arrow. Uncheck the all pages. Select the current page, that is page number 3. Click done. Download. Now, create a new page. Let the background be white. Now, go to apps.
Search for Speed Paint.
Here that app is showing. Click this app. Which page you have to make a whiteboard animation. You have to choose the file. Our downloaded file is there in download folder. So choose the file. Go to download. If you want to see the images, click large icon. This is the page which we saved. Select that file. Click open. Now the file is ready. Overall smoothness, you can make 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second. You can choose. I am choosing 60 frames per second. Sketch duration. For sketching, how much time you want it should take, whether 5 seconds, 1 second, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and all is there. I am selecting, let's say 3 seconds. Color fill duration. By default, it is 0 seconds. No color fill is there. Here you choose 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds is there. I am choosing 3 seconds. Background color, if you want to change, you can change it. Here there are 2 check boxes. Add sketching hand effect. This you have to tick mark it. Then only the hand will come there. Similarly, add fade out effect. After that, the hand has to go out from the scene. So for that, select this checkbox also. Click animate image. The image is created. You can maximize it to the page size. To see the effect, just go preview. That's all. Thank you.